How to download your stories on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your stories on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now go down here. You will find this one, download your information, and then click this select all and go select this one stories, and click create file, and now you need just to wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.